Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Today we're in Macon, Georgia. We're going to be repairing this porch flat roof. Got our favorite style railings there. Our objective today is going to be to get these columns removed. You can see where the old flat roof coating is failing. We're going to be putting some CertainTeed flint lastic cap and base sheet. It's a tri-belt product. Put new drip edge, replace the decking, place the molding around the base of the columns. Got some soffit damage underneath. Get that taken care of. And have this porch in serviceable condition again. Keep you posted with progress. And again, if we can help you out with your exterior roofing or replacement projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.